focused. Hi. Camera, what's up? Hey. Can you focus on me? I'm almost ready for school. I just need to... Oh, hello. I just need to pack my bag real quick. Right. Let's get going. Right, I'm in the car. I hope you can hear me over the loud air conditioning, but we have to use it because my mom can rarely see. She's dropping me off at the train station and then I'm heading to school. Yeah, that's basically it. Walking on campus with my vlog camera. I am currently walking to the metro. I finished at school today, so I'm gonna head home. So I'll catch you guys soon. Right now, so I'm gonna play a little bit of piano. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I hate myself so much for this, but alright, let's do this. Last night, water blew, woke up lying next to her. Last night, made a mess, doesn't get better than this. Phone rings from the bar, 25 texts and a call from mom. Must have been good, cause I can't remember. What's up, guys? So I just spent the last half hour or something putting my new class schedule of the last 2 semesters left of the school year into my Google Planner. The upcoming 2 semesters still do look like pretty hard, but also kind of more relaxed than the past semester, so the semester that I'm almost finishing right now.
I was so wrong.
So I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the evening. I had like a 3-hour nap once I got home and it's only Monday. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good day, sunshine. Good day, sunshine. We're not getting any prettier. I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna continue getting ready right now and then I'm gonna head to school. I'm so not excited. Another day, another car ride, guys.
Where are my Justin Gabriel stands? Another day, another vlog, son.
I am back on my way to the train station right now. On my way to school. I sound super excited.
Papa.
Alright guys, so my dad just went out for a walk. It is 8:30 in the evening, but sure, whatever. Actually we got a delivery of the main bay Nespresso. If you don't know, I have an espresso machine. Anyway, my mom ordered these. We have a bunch. Well, we used to have a bunch. Like, this thing used to be filled up. Like, the last thing was completely filled because it's decaf, and I don't vibe with decaf. It has to have caffeine in it, guys. Oh, okay. What? Oh, okay. What's this? This is cozy. It is. Why am I doing this like a makeup tutorial? It's like. Then she got more decaf. I don't understand what she did. She did get Levanto. Then she got Caramelito, which is like normal coffee with a little hint of caramel. She got this one called Nicaragua, the country. Oh, one is bruised. It says Nicaragua. Does any other 18-year-old teenager get so excited about coffee? Don't think so. It's Wednesday, my dudes. So, it is 7:55. My alarm was set to 7 o'clock, which means I spent a good 50 minutes in my bed once I woke up. Usually it takes me half an hour to wake up. Don't know what happened. I need coffee and food, and I have no idea what I'm craving. Also, literally, every part of my body hurts. I'm not joking. Feel terrible. Alright, so I didn't really tell you guys a lot about this project that I'm doing. We're basically creating an app, so I'm gonna test it right now with my parents and see if it's like working and stuff. So that's great. Also, snow. Just got ready for school. My dad is gonna drop me off at the train station in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna head to school and work there because I can focus way better. Yeah. That's it right now. Wearing this really cute sweater, and I am in a rush. Quickly got some snacks because I'm gonna be here for a long time. We done with Today's Thursday, and I have my presentation for my team project today. I need to shower, I need to do other few things for the presentation, and then I need to head to school. So I would love to say that I had a very interesting day, but to be honest, we had the presentation, then we got lunch with our friends, and then we went to the bar. So there's not a lot more that like I can show you guys. That's it, basically. So that's basically everything that I like did that week that was interesting enough to show in a vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's really delayed because I uploaded it freaking 2.5 months later. Please forgive me, I'm really busy recently. Yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you didn't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.